Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I installed this pre-cut closure wig. It's glueless. Can you guys see that? Stay tuned for how I achieved this. So shout out to UNice company for sending over this package. I'm just showing you guys what I received. So I got this silk robe that says UNice on it in this hot pink color. I also received a brush. I got this bag with goodies. So I got 2 wig caps, a melt band, a pair of eyelashes, a makeup brush, and also this satin bag that you can store the wig in once you're done. So of course in the package I received the wig itself. This is a 4x4 closure wig. So I'm just showing you guys how it looks. This is a body wave texture and the hair was nice and soft. So you do see me running my hands through it. So inside the wig, as you can see, it's a 4x4 closure wig. It has 2 combs at the sides. It has 1 comb at the back. It comes with this adjustable band to help secure the wig. And it is also a breathable cap. So you can put your fingers through it. You can scratch your scalp, all that good stuff. And yeah, this is basically how the inside is looking. This wig also came with baby hairs already cut for you, which is amazing. So you really have to do no work. So I'm just showing you guys how it looks coming straight out the package. Do you guys see this? Like, that's amazing. So we're gonna get into installing this unit. Alright guys, so I went ahead and braided my hair straight back into 6 braids. So this is the wig. I did go ahead and bleach the knots on the wig just so that it would look more like my scalp, but that's the only thing I really went and did. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my free spray and spray my hairline where the closure will be. So I'm going to spray it, use my edge control brush, brush any hairs that are in the way back, and then dry it with my blow dryer. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig cap. And once I put the wig cap on, I just push it back a little bit and leave it like that. So I used my concealer and my makeup brush and I just brushed it onto the back portion of the lace for the closure. And I also brushed some on the front portion as well. So I wanted to show you guys that this has a non-slip silicone strip to help the wig stay on your head and not come off. So it is a non-slip strip, and you also have this adjustable band that you can use to adjust the wig to make it bigger, smaller, however your head size is, it will fit. So you just have to go ahead and play with that band. So I just went ahead and put the wig on. And as you can see, the baby hairs are still kind of in place. I of course have to go back and do them over, but it's already cut, which is great. So because I did not have my wax stick, I went in with my beeswax just to lay the hair down flatter. So I put it onto the closure part and just used my hot comb on top of it. That way it laid a bit flatter. So I'm just giving you a quick look of how the hair looks without being hot combed with the beeswax and how it looks with it being done. So as you can see, it lays much flatter. So I'm just doing it to the next side now. So once I finish hot combing the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and fix my baby hairs now. As I said before, the baby hairs came like this. I did not have to recut them or anything like that. So I'm just going in with my got2b free spray and my edge control brush, and I am just making them the way I'd like them to be. Once I've got my baby hairs the way I want them, I'm going in with some BioSilk and I'm just gonna spread that all over my hair. The body wave texture is still intact, but I'm gonna go ahead and freshen it up by doing some waves on it. And I'm gonna be using my waver by Babyliss. So what I'm gonna do is section a small portion of the hair at the front, and I'm gonna go ahead and wave it. I'm not using the waver on my entire head. I'm just doing it on the top portion just to give it a more fresher look. It's like waking up with your curls messy. You just go in the morning and just freshen it up. That's exactly what I'm doing. So it just makes it look like I just did it this morning. So once that's done, I'm going in with my concealer and my tail comb, and I'm just using the end of my tail comb to add some concealer to the part. And once I've done that, that's basically it for the hairstyle. I'm going in with my olive oil sheen and I'm just spraying it. So guys, let me show you. This is how it's looking. This is a glueless install for you. Closure wigs are one of the easiest wigs to do glueless installs with. I'm just showing you with the tail comb, you can go underneath. There's no glue. Nothing is holding this wig down. So let me just show you guys. Let me show you guys. Do you see this? The wig can come off. I can go to sleep, wake up, put it back on, and it's all good. So yeah, shout out to UNice Hair Company for sending over this unit that I can put on whenever I'd like, take it off whenever I'd like. So if you're interested, all the details will be down in my description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out. They have so many different types of wigs and hair that you guys can look at. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.